There he go. Man, this thing. Yo, what's up, guys? It is your boy Dat Boy Vince here, back with another video. Alright, bro. So today is the day, bro. I'm going to my first car show, bro. If y'all haven't heard of Caffeine and Octane, bro, they do a show every other month. First day of the month, but it's gonna be my first time going. I am a newbie, of course, but it is what it is. But make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, turn on those post notifications so you know every time we drop a movie. Alright, y'all. But we're about to go ahead and get on this road, you feel me? And I appreciate all the love, y'all support. As y'all can see, we still at grandma's house, of course. But ain't nothing gonna stop me from doing videos for y'all. I'm gonna keep doing videos for y'all. I'm gonna keep doing clips for y'all. You know, go from there. I know I look a mess. You know, the beard kind of look a mess. The beard looking a mess, but it is what it is, bro. Why you look like that? Why you look like that? But alright, bro. We about to go ahead and get into it. I'll see y'all in a few. Peace. Alright, y'all, we got it back going. Camaros and Novas and BMWs. This is just a taste right here.
Here we go. On my level now.
Look at that. Got lime green Nissan. Yeah, look at all these cars, man. That's crazy. And y'all don't know what y'all missing out. Corvettes. Volkswagen. not they got this. Not the Scooby-Doo mystery machine.
9 times 10 when they be on the show, they put that on the show. And on Instagram.
I believe that. Wait, hold up.
Yeah.
I forgot what type of car that is. Ain't that the same car Chris Tucker drove in?
Yeah, something like that.
And, Rush Hour. Yeah, look at this. Mustang GTs. Got the Camaros. Not the butterfly doors.
Yeah, that's straight racing car now.
Not the butterfly doors. Got the Cadillacs, BMWs. Man. The only thing when you see is can't think of the name. Hellcat.
We walked past them.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, why you messing with the phone?
Oh, okay.
I told you to put the phone down. Here we go.
Okay. That's a Dodge, one of those Dodge School old vans. Park Speedway. Y'all be really racing in these.
Yes, we don't play. We actually thought this was for a joke?
Yeah. Damn. Atlanta Custom Wraps. I heard about them.
Niggas put all their money into this shit just to go. That's a drift car, you can tell.
Oh, yeah. I be damn. I didn't. Killboy Media. Corvettes. Toyotas. They ain't got the drone up there. It's crazy.
The one they take the picture on the car show.
Oh, yeah.
They still come on Saturday, Thursday, Friday. It's your repeat. Now, what you were talking about?
Okay, SRT.
Yeah, that's this brown.
That's a Challenger. Y'all look at the Dodge, y'all. Got all the Dodge Chargers, Demons, SRTs. And then you got these over here. I forgot what these called. Slingshots. Got the Slingshots over here.
CR28, that's nice.
Pops wanted to get one of them.
Hey.
Cause he was a real motorcycle head.
I ain't want to change shit up. I don't know what I used to.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. This is something out here. Got all these damn that big ass speaker, bro.
It's big and loud. I told you shit.
Okay.
Look at all that pretty Lambos and Porsche.
Lambos. Hey. Corvettes. Porsche. Audis. Dang, man. Hey, y'all hear that, bro? That's the cap.
Look all over there.
Old school rides.
442.
442s. Low riding. Man. Got that.
Y'all get tired?
Yeah, nah. Look at all these old school cars, man. Man.
You got the dome.
Are you serious? But look, what? Look at these donks, bro. Donks. Chevrolet donks. They got these on GTA.
That was the car we were behind, bro.
Oh yeah, here. Got these. That's crazy. Oh, we got more?
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy, yo. That is crazy. Oh, my bad. You'll be surprised as how many cars is here. What cars is here?
It's like a big ass car meet.
Yeah, big ass car meet. That is insane, bro. That a Trans Am?
Morgan and the Bandit.
Okay. Is that a Camaro too? Ha! Oh my, the Dragon.
When I said Tokyo?
Yeah.
Right there.
Man. Got BMWs. Yeah. What car? Oh my God.
Isn't that the car that John Wick had?
Oh my God. I forgot the name of it. Mustang. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Got that. Got these engines, y'all. Caffeine and Octane really be on point. Got the Lambo right there. Ooh, that's my color. Man, y'all don't understand, bro. And I'm a first time newbie coming here, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But I just now. But look at that Lambo. I gotta get another shot at that Lambo, bro. That shit is on point. Got the dog. Now look at that, bro. Look at that Super, bro.
It's like that Super that Hum was driving.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Get to the chopper.
Man. Okay, now we getting somewhere.
Yeah, it's easy.
Y'all look at that, bro.
Small block.
I'm just 0 for words right now.
Them be the cars that run the street
That we be.
we go pay.
Okay.
They be up there to Hum.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. Man, this is insane. You don't know how many cars be in this bitch. And it's hot too. Y'all living in Atlanta, bro. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be. Man, look at that. They really know how to pimp their cars, though. And that is insane. Old school?
Still Mustang.
Oh.
See the truck?
Got the trucks.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, that you wanted the loyal? Oh, yeah. Man. Okay. Oh, okay. Come on, man. It can't be realistic than that. It can't be realistic than that, bro. Oh.
They got the dude.
Look how low these. What?
They got air shop.
What? Look how low these is, bro. Hey, what's up, man? You a vlogger, bro?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah, coming through.
Hey, bro. How you doing, man? It's my first time here, bro.
For real?
Yeah, bro.
Dang, they have one every month. Once every month.
Yeah, I just told him that.
They usually be bigger than this. It's kind of slim.
I know.
Yeah, like I don't know if it's because like yesterday's festivities and shit, that people ain't making out, but last month was crazy.
That one was wild.
Yeah,
that's
you had the part way back there.
That's what we did. I tell you,
It's another vlogger, G.
It's like Keon coming through.
Keon coming through, bro. Yeah, big shout out, that boy Vince, bro.
That boy Vince?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
I got you, bro. I got you, G.
now you connect. This kind of truck I was looking for, something like this.
Oh, yeah, something you want to do like real low to it?
I would drop slow.
I got to get one of them.
Did you get anything other than clear?
One of the cameras that he was holding. But them things expensive.
You can't find one on Amazon?
I could probably can.
You see that car right now?
Yeah. Wait, that car.
That's a legendary car in Tokyo. Because there used to be police cars in Tokyo.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah. Okay.
It just don't have the writing and all that, but that car is legendary. Yes, it does got the writing on it.
Oh, it do? Got the writing on it? Man.
And it's a right side drive. See him.
Oh, in Tokyo. Okay. That's a right side drive. Look at this P87. Yeah. Look at that Caprice. Look at this peak. Look at this, bro.
You got boys out here and women that work there.
Insanity, bro. Literally.
They work there.
I think
Rotary jack.
it looks like it.
What'd you say? He said it's a 3-banger. Bro.
This thing is on point. That's crazy. I like that. Man. Caffeine and Octane, y'all. No way. Are you serious?
Yeah. That's Starsky and Hutch. That ain't nothing but.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. I got one of those. You know some of these cameras, bro. My bad, G. Oh, look at this, bro. Insanity, bro. Look at the inside of this.
We could drop some gears in this shit.
Oh, yeah.
Some gears in that.
Yeah. Woo. This is insane. We ain't done yet. Y'all look at this, bro. Old school. That's on point, bro.
Yeah, it is.
The hell? Y'all sure? You know what though? You're like some of these cars. Oh my God, they got the buggy. They got the buggy. Y'all look at that buggy over there, bro. It's like the 8.
Like a kind of stuff like that. I'm gonna push it up just like that.
Oh yeah. Look at that buggy, y'all. Camaro. Y'all look at that, bro. Look how high them wheels is on that Ram 3500. Yep. That's all these old schools. This thing on point. Woo. Thing is on point, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A lot of muscle.
Yeah, a lot of muscle. I don't even think some of this.
We're going to this El Camino, right?
El Camino right here. Cause you seen ATL, so it's kind of like what T.I. be driving. What he was driving.
That's the one. Look at the 442, the gold one.
Oh y'all look at that gold. Look at that gold, man. That is pure gold, bro. I'll be damn.
With the Louis Vuitton.
With the Louis Vuitton. Y'all look at that, bro.
They're the funny as GTO.
I can see you driving something like this, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Your uncle got one.
Peanut?
Kelsey.
Oh.
Kelsey got one, and I used to drive.
I wonder why he don't drive it.
He got it in the shop.
Oh,
I told him whenever you get yours ready, I'll be ready. I like that Louis Vuitton on that.
that Louis Vuitton go ghost on that, bro. Yeah, look at these wheels, bro. Gold wheels and all. Man. You got it. Okay.
Where you want to go now? See the NASCAR?
To the NASCAR. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna cut loose. My bad, man.
Got that NASCAR, bro. What?
Oh, we're sorry. We're sorry.
I was trying to get a little videos from my YouTube channel.
He's a newbie. I had to bring him.
Look.
Don't do that.
Look. You're not about to do that.
I got warrants. Don't do that.
Nah, it's cooling though. Shit on point, bro. Look at that. Yeah.
That's how I want to do mine in and over like that.
Okay.
But instead of all like that, I just want it like a line.
Okay.
So the thing I'm going for like old school, but a little modern. That way they be like, damn, Dad. That's right. Do some shit like Blade. Shit.
Damn. Look at all this.
Fun yet?
Yeah. What? Is that even a question?
Yes, it is.
It should not be. Look at all this. That's crazy, bro. Oh man, I should have brought my camera, bro.
Talking to you, yeah. Talking to you. It's talking. Now, smell the fuels. Get the fuels up in you.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew Ethan and I forgot the other guy.
Hey.
Where you want to go?
This thing.
Hey, which one?
Oh, we gotta go back at up there. I wanna see a few cars.
Come on.
Hey. Got
Hey,
that.
that's too much power for you. That's too much power for you.
Yeah, look at that, bro.
It's been some of my nephew.
How y'all doing, man? What's up, G? How goes it?
It's been up.
Shit. That's crazy. You gonna stop calling everybody a newbie? I know I'm a damn newbie here. Shit.
Alright, you take that one. I can roll with that one.
Man, you'd be surprised.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. They
Damn.
change all that over. Alright, so we finna check some more out.
Alright.
Alright, my boy, I catch up with y'all. That's Tanya's son.
Oh, okay.
Today,
Yeah.
That's her son.
Yeah.
Wide enough to be able to pull that off.
I was hoping to run into Steve the Gamer, but oh, okay.
Like 280 stock.
That's why I said I thought about doing red on the inside of my bike. Because every white car
Neat.
got red.
Yeah. Watch out.
So if I know him, he gonna go back and tell Tanya something. Which I give him.
It's her loss.
Somebody else's game.
Yep.
You know who car this is, right? All these cars like this. Camo wrap. Young dog.
Oh, okay.
See? Yeah, okay, look. Young dog.
Got the Young Dolph autograph, y'all.
All camouflage cars like this. Young Dolph.
Man.
Oh, she talking.
Definitely. Yeah.
Oh.
Thing is.
Number round. Oh.
What? Yo, what?
This is the one you need to take a picture of.
Got these cars, man. I'ma definitely put some clips out for y'all, yo. For sure. Like, this vlog is gonna be on point, but I'ma definitely put some clips out for y'all, yo.
He the one had me start coming to the car show.
Oh, really? That was a good thing he did.
And this is down.
That car stay about up.
That car?
Yeah. Because I raced with him coming home. His car stay up the street where the Mexicans did.
Okay.
I'm telling you, boy, I know.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
This thing is on. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I mean,
Come on, man.
This is when you need to hold on to your heart medication.
Damn.
They keep the import cars up here. And when they leave together.
Okay.
Like the line. And when they fire up, they sing.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, you walk past that. You
Oh,
remember that?
damn. I actually did it. Oh, my God. Look at this. Y'all, I'm about to fall out, bruh. About to fall out, bruh. They go to Nova. Damn, I forgot to take a video of two-seater Nova. Oh yeah, this is top notch. Y'all look at the inside of the Nova,
shit,
bro.
like mine, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Clean, mother.
Okay. You want to stay? Or you want to go? Let me do this last one.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Let's do that. Man, this thing was on point, y'all. I give this thing an A. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Caffeine and Octane, bro. I gotta keep coming here more often. More often. Ain't got all these. It's crazy. I'm just flabbergasted at this point. Like, damn. I should know how to throw up on the car show, bro.
Check the list.
Now look at the drawing, y'all. Alright, I'm about to flip this camera, y'all. Whew, man.
Yeah.
This thing is on point. Oh, wow. See all these cars, bro. Got a dude over there skateboarding. Trying to do a jump on the skateboard. Shit. Damn. Man. What you got? Say, look.
See cars like this outside of there, they had their feet. Like they go
Alright, y'all. It's about to get up out of here. It's hot as hell out here. Y'all living in Atlanta, bro. It's gonna be hot, bro. It's already warm like a month. But anyway, y'all, better go ahead and wrap this up. Appreciate my uncle for bringing me out.
Yeah.
But better go ahead and get up out of here. This is something. You saw so many promotions there. And Caffeine and Octane only happens once a month?
Yeah,
Once a month.
First Sunday of the week.
First Sunday of the week. So if y'all got some fly ass cars, y'all bring y'all cars up here, bro. Show them off, bro. I'ma definitely take my time to come up here. Best believe that.
That's his car right there.
What?
Same car. That's his car. I know that's his car. Yeah. Yeah, that's his right.
Okay. I wonder why he
He has some work done to it though.
I wonder why he won't show it off.
Cause he feel like I do it ain't ready.
Well, I just stuff ain't ready. By the way, y'all, about to go ahead and get up out of here. Go ahead and get up out of here. Man, I don't want to leave, but I got to. But I met another vlogger there, y'all. So we're gonna just communicate, bro. You feel me? Trying to get out with him. I forgot his name already. You know his name up?
I ain't catch it.
I'm sure he'll figure it out. I'm sure. I think it did. I think it was. Damn. Y'all, my uncle forgot he bought the car, bro. I'm playing. All right, y'all. But yeah, we out this piece, bro. I hope you guys did enjoy Caffeine and Octane. Woo. That Dodge ain't no joke. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be doing more moments like this.
Yeah, they're down there still.
Okay.
Trying to be behind this shit. Okay, damn.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's hot. I gotta get up out of here because I think I already got burnt enough the way it is. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.
Deuces.
Deuces.